Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to discuss about problems in the chapter inverse trigonometric functions. See the first problem. If alpha equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square, then prove that x square is equal to sine 2 alpha. Prove that x square equal to sine 2 alpha. According to the given problem, given equation is alpha equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square. Put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. X square equal to cos 2 theta. Then alpha equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta whole divided by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. We know that the formula for 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. That equal to tan inverse of root of 2 cos square theta minus square root of 2 sin square theta whole divided by square root of 2 cos square theta plus root of 2 sin square theta. That equal to tan inverse of root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta whole divided by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Here in numerator and denominator root 2 common and get cancelled. Tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Here take cos theta common in numerator and denominator. Tan inverse of cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Here cos theta get cancelled. That equal to tan inverse of 1 minus, here sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. That equal to tan inverse of, here we know the formula for 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan pi by 4 minus theta. Here tan inverse tan get cancelled, that equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Now we get alpha equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Alpha equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Multiply 2 on both sides. That is 2 alpha equal to 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and apply sine on both sides. Sine 2 alpha equal to sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sine 2 alpha equal to sine 90 minus 2 theta, that is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Here sine 2 alpha equal to, we know that cos 2 theta is x square. Here cos 2 theta is x square. Therefore sine 2 alpha equal to x square. Therefore x square is equal to sine 2 alpha. Hence proved the result. See the next problem. Prove that tan of 2 tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole by x equal to x. Take LHS. Here LHS is tan of 2 tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole divided by x. Here put x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. That equal to tan of 2 tan inverse root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. That equal to tan of 2 tan inverse. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Here root of 1 plus tan square theta, that is root of secant square theta, that is secant theta, minus 1 by tan theta. That is equal to tan of 2 tan inverse. Here secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 by tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. That equal to tan of 2 tan inverse. Take LCM in the numerator. LCM is cos theta. The numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Here the denominator cos theta get cancelled. That is equal to tan of 2 tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. That is equal to tan of 2 tan inverse of, we know the formula for 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 and the denominator is sin theta. The formula for sin theta in terms of theta by 2, that is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled and 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. That equal to tan of 2 tan inverse sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2. That equal to tan of 2 into, here tan inverse tan get cancelled, theta by 2. That equal to tan of 2 get cancelled, that is tan theta. Here we know that x is tan theta, that is tan theta equal to x, that equal to RHS. See the next problem. Prove that sine of cot inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to 1. Take LHS. LHS is sine of cot inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. According to the given problem, we have to substitute x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. That is equal to sine of cot inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta plus cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We know that 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta and 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. That is sine of cot inverse of tan 2 theta plus cos inverse of cos 2 theta. That equal to sine of cot inverse of, we convert tan 2 theta into cot of an angle, that is cot of 90 minus 2 theta, 90 minus 2 theta plus here cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta, that equal to sine of, here cot inverse cot of 90 minus 2 theta is 90 minus 2 theta plus 2 theta. Here 2 theta get cancelled, that equal to sine 90. We know that the value of sine 90 degree is 1, that equal to RHS. That is RHS. Next problem is prove that sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 8 by 17 equal to cos inverse of 36 by 85. Let us take sine inverse of 3 by 5 is A and sine inverse of 8 by 17 is B. Here the given problem is sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse of 36 by 85. Let us take sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to A and sine inverse 8 by 17 equal to B. This implies sine A equal to 3 by 5. Consider a right angled triangle with an angle A. Here this is a right angle. Given that sine A equal to 3 by 5, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the adjacent side is 4. Now, from this right angled triangle, cos A is equal to, we know cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Here Sin inverse 8 by 17 equal to B, that is sin B equal to 8 by 17. Consider a right angled triangle with an angle B. This is a right angle. We know sin B equal to 8 by 17, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 8, hypotenuse is 17. We can find the adjacent side is 15. Adjacent side is 15. We can find cos B. We know that in a right angled triangle, cos B is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 15 by 17. Let us take LHS part. Here LHS is sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Here we note that sin inverse 3 by 5 is A and sin inverse 8 by 17 is B. That is A plus B. Here in the given problem, RHS is cos inverse of 36 by 85. According to the given problem, take A plus B as like this, cos inverse of cos of A plus B. Cos inverse of cos of A plus B. That equal to cos inverse of cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. That equal to cos inverse of, we know cos A is 4 by 5, cos B is 15 by 17. 4 by 5 into 15 by 17 minus sin A sin B. Sin A is 3 by 5 and sin B is 8 by 17. 3 by 5 into 8 by 17. That equal to cos inverse of, multiply these two terms, 4 into 15 that is 60 by 5 into 17 that is 85 minus, here 3 into 8 that is 24 by 5 into 17 85. That is equal to cos inverse of, take LCM, LCM is 85, the numerator is 60 minus 24. That equal to cos inverse of 60 minus 24, that is 36 by 85, that is equal to RHS.